Join me as I try to boost my income using just simple AI tools and see if I can really make it happen. We're living in an era where technology is advancing at an incredible pace, and AI tools are becoming more accessible than ever. The possibilities are endless, and today we're going to explore how you can use these simple AI tools to boost your income and take your finances to the next level. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to increase their income is the sheer saturation of the job market. There are so many qualified individuals out there vying for the same positions, making it tough to stand out and get ahead. Another major hurdle is the need for additional skills and training. Let's face it, technology is constantly evolving, and if you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. On top of that, the rising cost of living and stagnant wages make it difficult for people to save and invest in their future. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. Many people are stuck in this rut, feeling like they're not earning what they deserve, and it's taking a toll on their mental and emotional well-being. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle and start earning the income you deserve? By leveraging simple AI tools, you can automate tasks, streamline processes, and unlock new revenue streams. It's not about replacing human effort, but augmenting it with the power of artificial intelligence. There are so many AI tools out there that can help you with tasks like content creation, financial analysis, and marketing automation. For instance, AI-powered writing assistants can help you generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time. Financial analysis tools can give you insights into market trends and help you make data-driven investment decisions. And marketing automation tools can help you reach a wider audience and convert leads into customers. On that note, please subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. Imagine being able to create a social media campaign that targets the right people with the right message, all while you're sleeping. That's the power of AI tools. But it's not just about the tools themselves, it's about how you use them to solve real-world problems and create value for others. In conclusion, using simple AI tools can be a game changer for anyone looking to boost their income. By automating tasks, streamlining processes, and unlocking new revenue streams, you can take your finances to the next level. Remember, it's not about replacing human effort, but augmenting it with the power of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with AI tools that have helped you increase your income? Share your stories, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on leveraging technology for income growth.